November 22nd, maybe about 2:15, and we're surveying the snow, our first snow of this fall season 2024. And we just have some branches that came down, nothing major. I may have to move those branches that fell down over here, because when the snow is done, we have someone coming to plow the snow. And our driveway is quite a big driveway. Let me just see how difficult these are to move. Yeah, that's kind of long, but I might be able to move it. Looks like it broke a little. Yeah, it broke. So I can move that fine. I did clear the kitchen porch, which is our main porch. You can hear the generator going. I took one part of the branch away. I will take the other half of the branch. I think it's just cold and wet. Not that heavy. Just pulling it out of the way, so when the snowplow comes, it won't impede his path. Okay, we got another kind of a large branch here. I'll just move it to the side of the driveway. I think I can do it. Yep. Not too bad. Yeah, the snow is heavy and wet. Heavy and wet. I'm going to put my glove back on. Ooh. Using my teeth to get the glove back on. Okay. Just a couple pieces. Yeah, branches did fall, but nothing major. Nothing that damaged anything, thank the Lord. So we are in a wooded property, as you can see. Go around to the back. I'll go to the end of the driveway. This is our neighbor's house. I guess this is their second winter. Yeah, you can see some small branches have fallen down. Nothing major. Nothing that I can handle. Right? Here's another branch. Just pull it to the side of the driveway. Okay. To the end of our driveway. And I will turn around and look back. Look up the end of our road. Oop. Branch in the way. So, oh, there's a bigger branch. There you can see a big branch. That's past our house on the road. I don't think that the plow comes and oh my goodness. I'll have to show John that. Wow. Because the snow is heavy and wet. Wow. I will have to show John that one. Maybe I can do a still. Can I do a still from here? Let's see. Yeah, there. Okay. Heading back. Heading back. Okay. School was canceled for today. It's Friday. There's more snow falling down. As I said, school was canceled. So, no worries. John called out of work, which is good because he wouldn't have been able to get through. I don't know when that branch came down, so he either wouldn't have made it to work or back home, depending on where he was when it fell. Also, Route 84 is shut down up by us anyway, which is the way he would have gone. Not very deep. You can see by my footprints. It's not very deep, but it is very wet. I was looking to see if I saw paw prints. See, I see paw prints of something little. There's a little bigger paw prints. I could take a picture of that. And this looks like it might be Kitty, but Stormy's the only kitty that went out, and he did not go far. So I don't know what other critter would have those feet. I will move those branches on my way back in, but I'm going to go up here and see the back of the house by the generator and the back deck. There's our swing set. That's where we get propane delivered. Curious to see how much propane we actually have. I don't think I can get that off right now. Get it on the way back. Okay. Looks like just one branch came down. These are our birch trees. I love them, but they don't like the snow. They always bend over in the snow. Yeah. Branch came down here. That's not a problem. Don't know whether if I shook off any of the snow. Probably wouldn't be able to get enough of it off. Yep, it did. It went from all the way down there to up here. That's pretty good. The other one's by the roof. Can't get at that. Okay. This side of the house. Looking all the way around. Our generator's going, so our furnace is going. Oh, and that's right, John's got the fireplace going. I knew I smelled something. That's the fireplace. These are our front stairs, which we don't really use. The front door is kind of hard to get open. It's easier opening it from the inside than from like outside trying to go in. So we don't use that as our main doorway. And here are our, oh, something was walking through here, probably deer. John calls them his dear friends. One in particular he calls Sweet Tooth. And here we are back at the front. Again, we use the kitchen, stairs, and door as our main door to go in and out of. Plus, if you come in with wet shoes like I will now, it is has tiling, not wood, so I don't have to worry about getting it wet. It's not a problem. Okay, just put some branches down below. Nothing major. But I'll definitely show John the tree that came down. If we expect to go anywhere tomorrow, I don't know. It's probably part of the homeowners association. We probably all contribute to that. The one that's up the road, not so sure, because they don't usually even plow that, so it doesn't affect us. But anybody who wants to go, like people take their quads, possibly dirt bikes up there too. Not bad. Anything else, when the snowplow comes through, he will just push these, anything that's little, off to the side or the front. Yeah, not a big deal. It's a bigger stick. And you can see how much snow we've gotten on our cars. And I'll show you the snow. Oh, this branch came down. This is a branch that came down. That can go in the down to the gully. As long as nothing comes down and hits our house, we're fine. You can hear the snow hitting the ground as it gets heavy. Makes like a thumping noise. And that's up above our garages, the media room that I've shared with you in my other videos. And I think we'll head inside. You can see snow goes right back up again once the heavy snow is off of it. It's beautiful. John painted that himself. And you can see the branches are a little low, but it's pretty. It's like a canopy. I did shovel. Bring the shovel in. Check on it a little later. See how we're doing. Yeah, I might just it could be better than that. So we can get through okay. And look, it's already started to cover a little bit, not a lot. I'll leave the shovel out here and get it a little bit later. Put it here. Time to change that sign. I have a Thanksgiving one. That was from Nana. This was from Nana too as well, I believe. And they're just our fall decorations, just a little bit. My truck has lights on it. Has leaves right now. But that will be decorated for Thanksgiving, and then for Christmas we'll change it up a little bit. And we're going to go in. I'll show John the tree